You can make $500 to $2,500 per day through this method. Although it seems impossible, it is true. You'll receive real money online compensation for each time you copy and paste an image. Just keep in mind to adhere to and put into practice every step I outline in this video. Let's get going. Enter the word Harry Potter cast into the search bar at google.com. The whole cast is available when you search for this term. Actress Emma Watson will be our first guest. I want you to launch a fresh Google browser and enter the search term Emma Watson along with the word 2014. Once you've looked up that keyword, I want you to click on the picture. Google will show all of this actress photos dating back to 2014. Please save this image to your computer by selecting it using the right-click menu. We'll next modify the title to 2021. Copy the photos of Emma Watson between 2014 and 2021. Visit the second website, ribbet.com, now. You may copy and edit photographs using the free photo editor Ribbet. The Start Editing button will take you here after you click it. To enable Flash, click this icon. We simply need 2 of the 4 columns that are typically available for adding photographs. By pressing the Close button here, you can remove those 2 boxes immediately. You can upload the 2 pictures we just copied by clicking the Upload option at the bottom. Drag a photo into the box on the left after uploading it. Apply the same procedure to uploading the second photo. Choose Text button from the menu now. All that's left to do is type the text into this box at this point. For instance, enter 2014, select Arial as your font, and then click the Add button. Simply type 2021 and click Add a second time. Right now, it's pretty simple to create a shot from scratch. To merge the photographs, all you have to do is copy and paste them. Then, at the bottom of the image, add some simple text. To finish, simply click the Save button. Now go to this website, Clydo.com, and select Video Maker. Select Choose a file, and begin looking for the image we just made. They'll start processing and uploading the photos, after which they'll point us to this page so we may combine the individual photos into a single video. We can now merge the photographs and create a video with them. There are exactly that many persons who can earn between $2,000 and $25,000 every month. You just need to put the photographs together, perform a very simple photo comparison, and then add it to the video I just showed you. So simple to accomplish. Now, by including background music in your video, you may significantly increase its enjoyment and encourage viewers to watch it for longer, which is a crucial factor. You can download it from YouTube's audio library and import it in the video. That being the case, this is precisely how these individuals are succeeding. And that's it. Please smash the like button if you enjoyed this video and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell.